And back as promised with Dr. Jared Anderson, Doctor of Audiology with Audiology and Hearing Center, Paducah and Murray. And, well, speaking of Murray, let's just go ahead and get into this. You've got a brand new location that just opened 2 days ago. That's got to be exciting.
Correct, yes. So Monday was our first day at our new office in Murray. It's a very easy transition for our staff as well as our patients. We're literally located right next door to our current or old office. That 1713 State Route 121. Our phone number has stayed the same too. So if you're making an appointment, whether you're an existing patient or a new patient looking for our services, we're easy to get a hold of.
Next question comes from Jennifer, who says, my dad has started experiencing significant hearing loss. Will hearing aids stop his hearing loss from getting worse?
So the hearing aid will not stop or prevent his hearing from progressing further. A hearing aid is designed to process and amplify select frequencies so someone with a hearing loss can be hearing better. If he has had a significant change in hearing, it would be a good idea to schedule an appointment with an audiologist to further evaluate what is causing that hearing loss.
Technology is always exciting stuff when things get better, and this next person is an anonymous viewer who says, I have hearing aids that connect to my phone. I'd like to use these when I fly, but I want to know, can I adjust them when my phone is on airplane mode?
Yes, so the hearing aids and phone pair with the Bluetooth. So if you're in an area that doesn't have cell phone service or you don't have Wi-Fi, you can still keep those hearing aids and phone paired together to make adjustments. So this is great if you're flying, if you're in a basement of a house or out in the country without good cell phone service, you can still utilize that phone with the hearing aids.
Belinda has a question. She says, I've noticed that since my husband got hearing aids, he seems to be depending on them, and when he's not wearing them, his hearing seems to have gotten worse. Is this normal?
So it's not uncommon for someone that has had hearing loss and they start wearing hearing aids, that when they take those hearing aids off, they notice it's getting worse. And the hearing aids don't affect the natural hearing. So this is a matter of perception. When you're wearing the hearing aids and you're hearing better, and then you take them off, you're now all of a sudden not hearing speech easier, you're not hearing those environmental sounds that you're used to when you have the hearing aids on. So it's just a matter of perception. Now there could be other causes for the hearing to be progressively getting worse or changing, and that's why it's a good idea to follow up with an audiologist or your hearing care provider on a regular basis to account for any of these changes.
Next question comes from someone who says, I'm considering getting hearing aids and have done a lot of research on the different types. What I want to know is, do I get to choose if I get the ones that go inside the ear, or will I have to have ones that maybe are worn on the outside of the ear?
Yes. So at Audiology and Hearing Center, we work with all the different styles of hearing aids. Now, this is going to depend somewhat on your hearing, and that's why with my patients, when I treat them, I start with a diagnostic evaluation so we know exactly the type and severity of hearing loss that they have, and then I show them all the options that are available for their hearing loss. That way we know we have something selected that's appropriate for their hearing loss, and it's something that the patient feels comfortable and confident putting on every day.
He is Dr. Jared Anderson of Audiology and Hearing Center, Paducah, and a brand new location in Murray, Kentucky, right next door where they used to be. Still with the same phone number, very convenient for you all to make an appointment when the time is right. So we thank him for his visit today. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to review this segment, it'll be online shortly at WPSD Local 6.com.